Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching today. If you are new on this platform, my name is Milton Fonkwa, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about SIM card and mobile phone registration in Northern Cyprus. Yes, I do understand a lot of international students don't know that they are supposed to do registration of their phones or SIM card in Northern Cyprus. First of all, let me start by explaining this to you all. I have always mentioned that on this channel. Excuse me. Before you move to Northern Cyprus, please, international students, take note. I am not talking about Cameroonians. I am not only talking about Nigerians. I'm not only talking about Kenyans, Ethiopians, people from Burkina Faso. I'm not talking about Rwandans, okay? I'm not only talking about Togolese, all right? All other international students, those from Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and all these other places, please take note. Northern Cyprus is not in Europe, okay? And before you move to Northern Cyprus, make sure you have a sponsor. Please make sure you have a sponsor. In my subsequent videos, you are going to understand why I am saying this. I am insisting on this every day, okay? Now, as I said, I will be talking about mobile phone and SIM card registration in Northern Cyprus. I have always said Northern Cyprus is not in Europe, and it is located south of Turkey and east of Greece, okay? In the Mediterranean Sea. It's a small country, an island. You all know what an island is. It's a piece of land surrounded by water. Therefore, Northern Cyprus is found somewhere inside the Atlantic Ocean, okay, or the Mediterranean Sea, let me put it that way. So now, in order for you to go to Northern Cyprus, you must pass through Turkey. And when you reach the Aegean Airport, that is the only airport in Northern Cyprus. It is called the Aegean Airport, okay. When you come out of the plane, normally the first thing you are going to do or see at the airport, you are going to find a list of mobile phone agencies at the airport. You can find Turkcell, you can find Telsim, you can find Vodafone, and whatsoever phone company you find. These people, they are going to be selling SIM cards. Remember, you are now in a foreign country, and you can no more use the SIM card you were using in your country to make a call. Okay, so you need a SIM from Northern Cyprus, all right? So if you are to buy any of these SIMs, it depends on which you want to buy. All of them don't have the same price, okay? So whichsoever one you want to buy, make sure that you have information about that. But my advice now is, when you reach the Aegean Airport, or within the airport, you are going to find people selling SIM cards, okay? Do not buy from the airport, because as we all know, airport things are usually very expensive, okay? So what you will do is, when you move into the city, whether you are living on the school campus or you are living outside the school campus, you can get a SIM card. There are various points you can get a SIM card. If you are living in Kyrenia, you can get it from the city center in Kyrenia, or along the shops, or in any other shop that is selling SIM cards, okay? If you are living in Nicosia, there are various positions in which you can get SIM cards, okay? So you don't have to panic. Now, this is what you need to do. When you buy this SIM card, tell these people to register it, okay? Normally, they might request your passport or something. They might ask you to bring your passport. Just tell them, excuse me. Thank you. Just tell them that you are a new student and you just moved into the country, okay? If they insist, give them your passport. There is no problem, absolutely no problem about that. But make sure they register the SIM card. Now, remember that when you passed through the airport, you were checked, and something was stamped inside your passport. When you arrive now at Cyprus, I understand most of us, we don't need a visa to go to this country. But when you pass the airport, you were stamped, you were given a stamp in your passport. If you check that stamp, you will realize that you were either given 60 days or 90 days, all right? That 90 days is what you were given to be in the country, okay? Which means that when you go to school, this is for students. When you move to school, you have to register. When you register, you collect some certain documents from your school. Then you have to do a student permit, all right? A student permit which permits you to live for more than 90 days after the 90 days elapses. Okay, now remember that this 90 days is going to end, and within this time, when you get that SIM and it is registered, you are going to be receiving messages telling you that you have to go and register your phone. Okay, now any other phone you carry from any country as an international student and move with it into Northern Cyprus, nowadays there is a law that was implemented in 2017, 2018. The government wanted to be tracking everybody, or wants to track everybody's mobile phone that moves into the country. So they decided that if you get a SIM, you must register it, and if you bring your phone, you must register it. So this is what you need to know. For those of you who like carrying 3, 4, or 5 expensive phones along with you, I don't know what some of us will do with all those type of phones. But remember, if you carry all of those phones into Northern Cyprus, just prepare your money, okay? Your money to register the phones. And remember again, not all the phones have the same price. Samsung and iPhone is highly expensive. For Samsung, for you to register a good Samsung and iPhone phone or an iPhone in Northern Cyprus, it is going to cost you more than 100 Turkish lira and above. Alright, so you have to be very careful. If you carry 5 phones, 3 Samsungs for example, and 3 iPhones, just multiply your money by 100. It is going to cost you 600 Turkish lira and above, because the iPhone is expensive than the Samsung. So you have to know that. Now, when you register the SIM, okay, you need to register your phone. These people will be sending you messages in your phone telling you to go and register the phone. Now, in Northern Cyprus, there is only one place or one location in which you can register this phone put in place by the government. Okay, if you live in Nicosia, if you live in Lefke, I don't know about those who live in Lefke, alright? I don't know about those who live in those who live in Famagusta, they have to move to Nicosia, alongside those in Nicosia, alongside those in Kyrenia, alongside those in other places, alright? For Lefke, I do not know. So if you live in any neighborhood in Northern Cyprus, please take this very serious. When you arrive in Northern Cyprus, you get a SIM card, you register it. Now it's your phone, okay? You have to take that phone to a certain place in Nicosia called Domino's Pizza. Okay? I mean, the name of the place you have to go and register your phone, it is called Domino's Pizza. If you do not go and register this phone after the 90 days or the 60 days that was put in your passport elapses, they are going to block the phone. You won't do anything with the phone. Okay? So to be on the safe side, locate this place in Nicosia. Now I'm going to give you the description. Locate the place and make sure you go and register your phone if you are just new into the country and if you are arriving. Remember, there are also documents you will need. If you are a student, you need your international passport. Okay? You also need your phone. Okay? You need money for the phone. If you have one phone, let me say a Samsung, take along with you 120 Turkish lira. The price is not fixed, it can change. Let me put it as a disclaimer here. The prices I'm giving you is not fixed, it can change at any time, okay? So just hold enough money on you. If you have a Samsung, take like 100, 120 or 130 Turkish lira on you for one phone. If you have an iPhone, take like 150 Turkish lira and go to this location. Alright, I am mentioning these two because I know they are the most prominent phones being used in Northern Cyprus. There are other phones, but some phones are cheaper than others. I think the expensive ones are Samsung and iPhone. Okay, so if you have like an Itel or any other phone, just take some money with you and you go to this place. Now, before you go, okay, take your passport, take your student letter. I think that is all. If you are a worker, take your working permit. Okay, take your working permit, take your passport. If your working permit is not inside your passport, take it alongside with you. But if you are a student, your student permit will be stamped in your passport. So you just need to take your passport and your student letter, okay? And the money you have to give them. Now you have to fill some forms there. They will direct you to a certain bank to pay some money there. I think it's Limassol Bankasi or something, alright? The place is in Nicosia. It is called Domino's Pizza. Okay, now this is the description of the place. If you live in any area in Northern Cyprus, the place is in Nicosia, or let me say Lefkosia, alright? Take a bus, you stop at city center, okay? If you don't know these places I'm giving you, just take a bus, being it the school bus or the private bus, you stop at city center. All school buses that goes to Nicosia and all private buses that goes to Nicosia always stop at the city center bus stop. When the bus reach city center, step down, you move straight, like 50 or 60 meters straight from the bus stop in city center. You are going to meet a four corners roundabout, a road going to your right, a road going to your left, a road moving back to city center, and a road going straight into Domino's Pizza, alright, into that area. What you are going to do is, you cross the road, going to your left, you move straight inside. Move like 30 to 40 meters, you ask for Domino's Pizza. It is a building, a white building. It is very popular. They are going to show it to you, okay? When they show you Domino's Pizza, you are still going to see another small junction. It is on your left hand side. You turned left, alright? When you turn left, you are going to see some offices. Move 15 to 20 meters inside. When you turn left, okay, then you ask for where you can register your phone. That is the Domino's Pizza building is somewhere. Then you turn left, then you ask for where you can register your phone. I hope this information is clear. I hope it is open. So if you don't understand, please ask questions. Don't just move like a sheep, okay? Always ask questions so that you know what you are doing. But remember, if you go to North Cyprus, you must register your phone. It is necessary. It is compulsory. So know all of these things while you move inside. Again, when you arrive this country, don't ask questions from people on the streets, okay? Before you ask somebody a question in Northern Cyprus, first of all, the Turkish citizens, they will not understand English, so you might not be able to speak to them well. And you, since you are new, you might not understand the Turkish language well. So my advice is, locate somebody who speaks English, that you know the person very well, that is not going to give you the wrong information. Because there are people who are ready to give you negative informations, alright, in Northern Cyprus. I am telling you to note that now. When you locate this person, ask your question. Likewise, if you can't locate anybody, go to your university, ask for the international office. You move inside, you are going to see a lot of blacks and people who speak English, alright? You ask them your question. Or to the student affairs office. From there, you can get a lot of information, alright? So that is what you need to know about the phone and SIM card registration. Please, before I forget, if you don't stop at the city center bus stop, alright, there is another bus stop after the city center bus stop in front. It is the bus stop they call the Kumsa Park, okay? It stops around, the buses stops around a certain Western Union, alright? Or the area is around a certain garden, they call the garden Kumsa Park. When the bus stops there, or you can tell the driver to leave you there, or when the school bus stops there, you step down, then you move inside across the garden until you find Domino's Pizza. The road that passes inside the garden goes straight to Domino's Pizza, alright? It is the bus stop before you reach Merit Hotel. So don't get things wrong. But to be on the safe side, I would prefer you stop at the city center bus stop. Follow the description I've given you. Even if you are a blind person, at least with the description, I understand you are going to find Domino's Pizza. So if you live in Famagusta or whatsoever area you are living, know that that is what you need to do for your phone registration, okay? It is necessary. If you do not register the phone, they are going to block it. So know like that. Know it's this way, alright? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if it's important or if you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.